This video covers the installation of the Recoup Easyfit Plus model to support sections 3 and 4 of the installation manual, which should be read in full before starting installation. Ensure the hot and cold water systems are installed to suit System A, B or C installation layout as specified by M&E drawings or SAP calculations. System A supplies preheated water to the shower cold feed and the water heater. System B supplies preheated water to the shower cold feed only, and System C supplies preheated water to the water heater only. Refer to the installation methods for more information about the requirements of each layout. The water heater can be a combination boiler, unvented cylinder with any heat source including heat pumps, a thermal store or heat interface unit. System A layout is the most efficient. However, with a retrofit installation, it can be difficult to get preheated water to the water heater, so System B is often adopted. Where multiple wastewater heat recovery systems are to be installed within a property, only one can be connected as System A or C, which would ideally be to the primary shower, with additional wastewater heat recovery systems installed as System B. In this video, we will focus on a new build System A installation with a thermostatic mixer shower over a bath and a thermostatic mixer valve before the bath pillar tap. There are other arrangements for showering, which will be addressed near the end of the video. When the shower is running, the warm shower wastewater enters the Easyfit Plus at the higher waste connection. Cold mains water will also be entering at the lower water connection to flow in the opposite direction. The Easyfit Plus efficiently transfers the heat from the wastewater to the incoming cold mains water, creating preheated water. The cooled wastewater exits the Easyfit Plus at the lower waste connection to run to the main drainage system. The preheated mains water connects to the cold feed of the thermostatic mixer shower and or the water heater depending on the system layout. The Easyfit Plus is supplied with adjustable feet, installation manual and a SAP identifier label. Check the condition of the main unit, and if damage has occurred during transport, do not fit the unit and return it to the merchant for replacement. To complete the installation, you will need some additional components that are not supplied within the box. 2 full flow shut-off valves, a double check valve, a drain-off valve, and 2 half-inch female iron BSP threaded connectors. If you plan to run 22mm diameter pipework to and from the unit, then consider using 22mm valves and half-inch female iron to 22mm compression adapters to maintain the larger pipe diameter. The cold mains inlet and the preheated outlet are both half-inch male BSP parallel threads. Connect suitable half-inch female BSP parallel threaded connectors. Care should be taken to properly support the connections of the Easyfit Plus when installing and tightening the adapters to prevent damage to the brass connector and copper heat exchanger. A suitable RAS-approved thread sealant should be used, with a liquid sealant highly recommended. Install the adjustable feet to the threads in the corners of the Easyfit Plus to achieve between a 30 and 40mm height difference across the length. Across the width, the unit must be level to achieve maximum heat exchanger contact when the shower is in operation. The Easyfit Plus can be installed either way round, and the fall across the length can be set either way to suit the position of the soil waste pipework. The fall direction will determine which of the half-inch connections will be the cold mains water in and the preheated water out, as the flow of cold mains water must be in the opposite direction to the wastewater flow. The contraflow of water increases the heat exchanger efficiency. With the feet adjusted and the adapters in place, the Easyfit Plus can be put into position. The dimensions of the Easyfit Plus allow for installation under most baths and suitably sized shower trays. However, it is worth checking the dimensions between the bath legs or shower tray legs and the waist position before installation, and if the centre leg is present, it will need to be removed and adequate support put in place that bridges the Easyfit Plus. Once in position, check the unit is level across the width. When in its final position, the waist, inlet and outlet connections can be made. The waist connections of the Easyfit Plus are push-fit type and will accept either 40mm push-fit or 43mm solvent weld waste pipework. The full gradient of the inlet and outlet waste pipework must conform to Building Regulations Document H, be adequately supported and non-restrictive in design. Chamfer the end of the pipe, lubricate the O-rings and insert a maximum of 50mm of pipe into the connections. When first fixing the waste pipework, bear in mind the total fall required through the Easyfit Plus and the pipework. Setting the pipework at floor level or coming up through the floor can help to achieve adequate fall. Connect the mains cold water to the lower of the two 1/2-inch connections. The cold mains water pipework must be installed with a full bore shutoff valve, double check valve and a drain off valve. These are not supplied with the Easyfit Plus but must be installed for backflow prevention and to facilitate isolation and draining of the unit. If using compression fittings, make sure to support the fittings when tightening and that the weight of the installation pipework is supported to ensure the threaded connections into the Easyfit Plus are not strained. If using soldered fittings, do not heat any pipework connected to the Easyfit Plus. Connect the preheated water pipework to the higher of the two 1/2-inch connections. The preheated pipework must be installed with a full bore shutoff valve, also not supplied, fitted close to the outlet connection. As with the cold mains water pipework, support fittings and do not solder pipework connected to the Easyfit Plus. Connect the preheated water pipework to the thermostatic mixer shower cold inlet and or the water heater depending on the system layout chosen. Do not connect preheated water to a thermostatic mixer valve located under the bath on the hot tap supply. Best practice suggests the use of copper pipework for preheated water. If installing as system A or B, the linear length of pipework between the wastewater heat recovery system and the thermostatic mixer shower cold inlet should be no more than 4.75 metres in 15mm diameter pipe. All preheated water pipework must be labelled as preheated water to prevent future cross-connection of services. Recoup preheat supply tape is available for this. Do not insulate the Easyfit Plus unit itself. The Easyfit Plus and installation pipework should be pressure tested before being concealed. The maximum test pressure of the Easyfit Plus is 18 bar. If the system pipework requires testing above this, then the Easyfit Plus must be isolated using the inlet and outlet full bore isolation valves before further increasing the system pressure. Make sure that you release the increased pressure from the pipework before turning the valves back on again. Once fully tested, water can be introduced and the air purged from the wastewater heat recovery system. So far in the video, we have looked at the most common arrangement of a bath with pillar taps, thermostatic mixer valve on the hot tap supply, and a wall-mounted thermostatic mixer shower over. With this arrangement, the thermostatic mixer valve supplying the bath hot tap is kept separate from the wastewater heat recovery system, which feeds the shower and or the water heater, depending on the system type. When using a bath mixer tap with a thermostatic mixer valve on the hot supply and a wall-mounted thermostatic mixer shower over, the pipework arrangement stays the same. When a bath mixer tap has a built-in thermostatic mixer valve, there is no need for a separate thermostatic mixer valve on the hot supply. The preheated water still only supplies the thermostatic mixer shower and/or the water heater. A bath shower mixer with built-in thermostatic mixer valve can be used and will save the need for a separate wall-mounted thermostatic mixer shower. In this case, a separate thermostatic mixer valve under the bath is not required, and the preheated water supply can feed directly to the thermostatic bath shower mixer, and if required by system type, the water heater. With this arrangement, the flow rate through the bath shower mixer must be restricted to 20 litres per minute. An installation with a non-thermostatic bath shower mixer with thermostatic mixer valve on the hot supply is not designed to operate with wastewater heat recovery systems and will not comply with the requirements of SAP. One of the previous arrangements should be used. In all cases, the shower receives full temperature hot water from the water heater, and where a thermostatic mixer valve is present under the bath, it will not receive preheated water. Ensure the SAP identifier label supplied with the Easyfit Plus is completed and fixed onto or near the water heater supplying the hot water to the shower, and that the installation is registered on our website. With every system type and every unit type, the following key points must be observed. Follow the specified system configuration of A, B or C. Failure to do so could mean the installation does not meet the requirements of SAP calculations. Install onto a mains pressurized system with the water heater able to accept preheated cold water. Connected showers must be thermostatic mixer showers with balanced pressure supplies. Preheated water pipework must be labelled for its entire length and be no longer than 4.75 metres between the wastewater heat recovery system and the shower. Do not insulate the wastewater heat recovery system itself. Prevent wastewater heat recovery systems being heated above 25 degrees Celsius, both by external sources and ambient temperature. All units must be installed within the thermal envelope of the property. Ensure that preheated pipework supplies the shower and/or the water heater only. Ensure the SAP label is applied onto or near the water heater and that the installation is registered on our website.